Guys, today I will show you how to make a clone of an app or a game. First of all, you need a rooted phone, and second one, you need Lucky Patcher app. You can download this app by the link given below. Okay, click on Lucky Patcher. Okay, click on video editor. Sorry. Click on tools and now click on clone application and now click on yes. Okay, it is making the clone of video editor. It will take several minutes. Okay, now click on install clone. Here is it. Click yes. Okay, it is installing the clone. Okay, click OK. We can find the two application over here. First one is here, second one is here. Okay, the one of these two is a clone. I can find out. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. For more videos, please subscribe.